October at Dollar Tree is hiding garden gold that most people walk right past, and I'm about to blow your mind with what you should be grabbing right now. We're talking items that'll protect your fall garden, prep you for next season, and save you literally hundreds of dollars compared to garden centers. And item number 6, it's sitting in the holiday aisle, and gardeners have no idea it's the secret weapon for winter plant survival. Hey there, savvy gardeners! Welcome back to Garden Homes, where we prove that smart shopping beats big spending every single time. If you're new here, you've just discovered the channel that helps garden lovers create incredible outdoor spaces without the incredible price tags. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back to another money-saving adventure. October is one of the most strategic months for garden shopping, and Dollar Tree is absolutely loaded with items you need right now. Before we dive into these 10 must-buy items, do me a quick favor. Smash that subscribe button and turn on your notifications because I drop new budget garden content every single week, and October is packed with time-sensitive tips you don't want to miss. Seriously, the stuff we're covering today is only relevant for the next few weeks, so you'll want to stay connected. All right, let's get into what you should be buying at Dollar Tree this October, starting with something that'll save your tender plants when the first frost hits. Item number 1, fleece blankets for frost protection. First up, and this is crucial if you're trying to extend your growing season. Dollar Tree stocks fleece blankets year-round, but October is when you absolutely need to grab several. Garden frost blankets at stores cost $15 to $30 each. Tree fleece blankets, $1.25, and they work just as well. Here's why October timing matters. We're in that unpredictable zone where some nights dip below freezing while days are still warm. Your tomatoes, peppers, and tender herbs can keep producing for weeks longer if you protect them during cold nights. Drape these fleece blankets over plants when frost is predicted, and remove them during the day. The fleece breathes so plants don't suffocate, but it traps enough warmth to prevent frost damage. I keep 6 blankets specifically for garden use. They have saved countless harvests when unexpected cold snaps hit in late October and early November. At $1.25 each, you're spending under $10 to potentially save $100 worth of produce. Plus, these blankets last for years. I'm still using ones I bought 3 Octobers ago. Item number 2, plastic storage bins for bulb storage. October is bulb lifting time if you're in colder zones. Dahlias, cannas, gladiolus, all those gorgeous summer bulbs need to come out of the ground before the first hard freeze. Professional bulb storage systems are ridiculously expensive, but Dollar Tree plastic bins with lids are perfect and cost basically nothing. Dig up your bulbs, brush off excess dirt, and let them dry for a few days. Then nestle them in slightly damp peat moss or sawdust inside these plastic bins. The bins protect bulbs from moisture, pests, and temperature swings while they're dormant. Label each bin with what's inside and the color if you're organized like that. I store probably $200 worth of bulbs in $5 tree bins that cost me about $7 total. Come spring, those bulbs go back in the ground and create another season of stunning blooms. This is one of those things where the timing is everything. Wait too long and your bulbs get damaged by frost. Act now, and you're set up perfectly for next year's garden. Item number 3, spray bottles for fall garden treatments. October is prime time for applying dormant oil sprays, organic fungicides, and natural pest deterrents before winter. These treatments prevent overwintering pests and diseases from setting up camp in your garden. Professional garden sprayers cost $10 to $20. Dollar Tree spray bottles work perfectly and cost $1.25. I keep dedicated spray bottles for different treatments. One for neem oil solutions, one for compost tea, one for organic insecticides. Label them clearly so you don't mix up what's what. The trigger sprayers give you great control, and the bottles hold enough solution to treat a decent-sized garden without constant refilling. Right now in October, spray fruit trees and ornamental plants with dormant oil to kill overwintering insects and their eggs. Treat rose bushes and perennials with antifungal sprays to prevent spring disease issues. These preventative treatments done now save you major headaches come spring. Stock up on spray bottles this month and tackle these tasks while conditions are still workable. Item number 4, large garbage bags for leaf collection. Leaves are falling like crazy right now, and instead of seeing them as yard waste, smart gardeners see free mulch, free compost material, and free soil amendment. But you need a way to collect and store them. Garden centers sell dedicated leaf bags for $5 to $10 per box. Dollar Tree sells large garbage bags for $1.25 per roll, and they work exactly the same. Here's my October leaf strategy. Rake leaves into these bags, but don't seal them completely. Poke some holes for airflow, add a bit of moisture, and store them somewhere out of the way. Over winter, those leaves break down into incredible leaf mold, which is pure garden gold. Or shred leaves with your mower and bag them to use immediately as mulch around perennials and garden beds. I probably fill 20 bags every October with leaves from my property and neighbors who are happy to have me haul them away. That's 20 bags of free organic matter for $1.25 per bag versus paying for bag mulch next spring at $8 per bag. Do the math. This October habit saves me a fortune and improves my soil dramatically. Item number 5. Wooden stakes for plant markers. October is when you're planting spring bulbs, garlic, and overwintering crops. Keeping track of what you planted becomes crucial when everything's dormant and looks identical. Professional plant markers cost ridiculous amounts. Dollar Tree sells wooden craft sticks, skewers, and paint stirrers that work perfectly as plant markers. Write directly on them with permanent marker, or get fancy and paint them first for weather resistance. Mark where you planted each variety of bulbs, where garlic cloves went in, where you scattered wildflower seeds for spring. Come spring, when shoots emerge, you'll know exactly what's what instead of playing a guessing game. I go through hundreds of markers each October. They're cheap enough that I don't stress about losing some over winter. And clear labeling has saved me from accidentally digging up bulbs or disturbing areas I intended to leave wild. Grab several packs this month while you're actively planting. In the future, you will be incredibly grateful. All right, we're halfway through, and I hope you're already making your Dollar Tree shopping list. But before we get into item number 6, which is seriously one of the cleverest garden hacks I've discovered, I need your help. If you're finding value in this October shopping guide, hit that like button right now. It helps this video reach more gardeners who need these budget tips. And drop a comment telling me what zone you're gardening in and what your biggest October garden challenge is. I read every single comment, and your feedback shapes future content. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We're building an amazing community of budget-conscious gardeners, and I'd love you to be part of it. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's keep growing together. Now let's talk about item 6, and I promise this one will surprise you. Item number 6. Halloween decor lights for garden protection. This is the one I mentioned at the beginning, and it sounds bizarre until you understand the science. Dollar Tree's Halloween aisle is packed with orange and purple string lights. Those colored lights, especially orange, are incredible for extending your growing season and protecting plants. Here's why this works. Certain light wavelengths influence plant behavior. Orange and red lights can trick plants into thinking days are longer, which delays dormancy for tender annuals. String these lights around cold frames or over plants you're trying to keep productive. The small amount of overnight light combined with a tiny bit of warmth from the bulbs creates a microclimate that can mean the difference between life and death for borderline hardy plants. I strung Halloween lights around my lettuce and spinach bed last October, and those greens produced well into December when everything else had quit. The lights cost me $3, and I got about 6 extra weeks of fresh salad greens worth probably $40 at the grocery store. After Halloween, when these go on clearance, stock up for next year. This is one of those weird tricks that absolutely works. Item number 7. Plastic tablecloths for garden bed. Covering October. Weather is unpredictable. One day it's 70 degrees and gorgeous. The next day you're getting sleet. Protecting garden beds from harsh weather while maintaining some warmth is tricky. Dollar Tree plastic tablecloths are perfect temporary covers that cost almost nothing when a cold rain or early snow is forecast. Drape tablecloths over beds you're still harvesting from. Weight the edges with rocks or landscape staples. The plastic sheds water and snow while trapping heat from the soil. This keeps ground temperatures a few degrees warmer, which can extend your harvest window significantly. I also use these to cover beds I'm preparing for spring. Laying plastic over empty beds in October helps warm the soil and kills weed seeds through solarization. Come spring, those beds are ready to plant immediately while uncovered beds are still cold and weedy. Each tablecloth covers about 6 feet by 8 feet, so 3 or 4 tablecloths will protect most home gardens. Total cost? $5 for potentially thousands of dollars worth of extended harvest. Item number 8. Rope and twine for securing plants. October winds can be brutal, and plants that survived all summer can get snapped or damaged by fall storms. Dollar Tree sells various ropes and twine that are perfect for staking, securing, and bundling plants for winter protection. Use rope to stake tall perennials that are getting floppy, to tie up rose canes before winter hits, and to bundle evergreen branches around tender plants for insulation. Twine works great for tying up climbing plants that are getting wild, securing row covers, and bundling herbs for drying. This is also the month to protect young trees from animal damage. Wrap trunks with burlap, secured with twine to prevent deer, rabbits, and mice from gnawing bark over winter. $1 invested in rope and twine now prevents hundreds of dollars in plant loss and damage. I go through several rolls every October, doing general garden securing and protection work. It's basic, but absolutely essential. Item number 9. Storage containers for seed organization. October is peak seed collecting time. Your garden is full of mature seed heads from flowers and vegetables, and next year's garden literally depends on harvesting and storing these seeds properly. Dollar Tree storage containers with dividers are absolutely perfect for seed organization. Collect seeds from your best performing plants, let them dry completely, and store them in labeled containers. The divided sections keep varieties separate, and the clear plastic lets you see what you have at a glance. Store containers in a cool, dry place, and you've got free seeds for next year's entire garden. I've built a seed library worth probably $300 using Dollar Tree containers that cost me maybe $15 total. Every October, I harvest seeds, update labels, and organize everything for spring planting. This systematic approach means I rarely buy seeds anymore, except for new varieties I want to try. The October timing is crucial because you need to catch seeds at peak maturity before weather ruins them, or they scatter naturally. Item number 10. Cleaning supplies for tool maintenance. October is ideal for garden tool maintenance before winter storage. Clean tools last longer, work better, and prevent disease spread in next year's garden. Dollar Tree cleaning supplies work perfectly for this annual task. Grab scrub brushes, bucket, cleaning rags, and some basic cleaner. Scrub all the dirt and plant residue off your tools, then disinfect them with a solution of 1 part bleach to 9 parts water. This kills disease pathogens that might be lurking. Dry everything thoroughly, sharpen blades if needed, and apply a light coating of oil to prevent rust over winter. I dedicate one October weekend to complete tool maintenance. Shovels, hoes, pruners, loppers, everything gets cleaned and stored properly. Dollar Tree supplies make this task cost about $5 instead of $20 or $30 at regular stores. Well-maintained tools last decades instead of needing replacement every few years. This simple October routine saves serious money over time and ensures tools are ready to go when spring planting fever hits. Here's my challenge for you. Get to Dollar Tree this week. October is moving fast, and some of these items sell out as we get closer to month's end. Grab what you need, put these strategies into action, and then come back and comment telling me how it went. Did the fleece blankets save your tomatoes? Are your bulbs safely stored? I want to hear your success stories. If this video armed you with a practical October action plan, show some love with that like button. Share this with your gardening friends who are always looking for budget tips. Let's build a community that gardens smarter, not harder, and definitely not more expensively. If you're not subscribed to Garden Homes yet, October is the perfect time to join our community. We're heading into winter with tons of content about protecting plants, planning for spring, and maximizing your garden's potential on a minimum budget. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss a single video. November content is already planned, and we're covering winter seed starting setups, protecting perennials, and planning next year's garden for maximum harvest. You definitely want to be here for all of it. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Now get out there, hit up Dollar Tree, and take care of your October garden tasks. I'll see you in the next video. Happy October gardening, everyone.